Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a one-part series of my fall porch makeover. So today we are giving these summer pots a complete refresh and makeover. In this pot I had Super Tunia Bordeaux, which this looks beautiful. It's a beautiful purple flower. If you can see this last little dying one here that's left, but they're basically done for the season. And I also had some beautiful pink impatiens. So we're going to take them all out, say goodbye for now, and then we're going to refill this pot and we're going to just put in here a bunch of beautiful fall flowers that'll look gorgeous on our porch, ready for the fall season. So the first plant I'm going to put in is this one. It is called Soul Lizard Leaf. It is so beautiful. I found it at my local garden nursery. It was on sale as well, and I was like, this is the most gorgeous fall plant. I need to have it for my container. And one of the reasons I grabbed this one is because the tag said that it can be planted in full sun, and that's exactly what I need for this container, because again, it's going to be on my porch where it gets a lot of access to full sun throughout the entire day. So our next plant is this fun little kale cabbage. Adorable. I didn't even know that this was a fall planting item, to be honest with you. So fun. It grows in cool temperatures, warm soil to make a healthier plant. It is a red ornamental kale cabbage. So cute. I actually found this at Lowe's for $4.98. So we're gonna put this beautiful baby in there and see how it grows. Alright, so next I have this garden mum. It is called Red Hots. So excited because I've never planted mums before. So we're gonna put this one right here in this space. Alright, so last but not least, we have these yellow mums that I found at Lowe's in the clearance section for $4. So I'm going to try to put it in the back so I have a little bit of a pop of color. And then, yeah, we're all done. These start to bud, so it'll fill this whole space up. There is a gap right here, so maybe I'll go back to Lowe's and find a really small plant or something to put in this spot. It is all done. I am ready to water it, put it in the front, and just patiently watch this baby grow. Alright y'all, so I have this really nice basket that I found at Savers for like $2. So I thought these mums would look so cute in this basket. So I'm going to scratch my original idea because I totally forgot that I had this basket, and I am going to put the mums in the basket so it definitely gives it more of like a cozy fall look. I love it. It looks very cozy. It'll look very, very cute on the porch. So I'm going to give now these new 2 containers a good water, and then I will be right back. Alright, so now that we have our beautiful fall arrangements done, it is time to give this porch a nice makeover. And I'm going to take everything off, clean it, wash it down, and we are going to paint these steps. Alright, so it's now been 1 hour, actually a little bit over an hour, and we are ready to give it coat number 2. I'm not going to film this part because you guys don't want to see me paint again, but when I come back, we'll show you guys the result after coat number 2. So I actually made this wreath and I shared it with you guys on Instagram if you want to check it out. And then I added some bats that I found on Amazon for I think like $4. So that is our fall front porch / makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out the links down below to anything that you're interested in, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. Bye-bye.